Hello, social studies distance learners. Today we are on week 14, a physical map, the Rocky Mountain region. And maybe we'll start here with our inset map, and you can see that these states right here make up the Rocky Mountain region. And so here's the United States, and this is the region we are working with. We have the Pacific West region over here on the Pacific Ocean. We have the Southwest region right here, and so we're kind of bordered by those. And then here is the Midwest. So this is tied together and called the Rocky Mountain region because of, obviously, the Rocky Mountains right through here, going through Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. And you're thinking to yourself, well, why is Nevada included? And Nevada actually has mountains right over here as it borders California. We learned about the Sierra Nevadas in our last unit, or in our last week, week 13. And so it is included there. Plus, it has the Great Basin here that ties together. So you come off the high mountains into this desert basin area. And so that really kind of lends itself to tie Nevada in with the Rocky Mountain region. Please notice that this is a physical map, meaning that we get to see things like the desert basin and mountains, Bighorn Mountains. We have rivers here as well, lakes, and here is a new one, a plateau. A plateau kind of goes up and then it's flat on top and then down. So, we live in the Great Plains, and you can see that they're kind of mentioned right over here. It's almost like having a plains on top of a larger elevation for that Colorado plateau. So that is new for us there. We have rivers, and I want to point out that we have an international border. Right here is the Canadian border. Notice that it is a dark solid line. Then we have the dashed lines for our state borders. So when I look at the legend here, I see that we have the mountain range, the desert. We have rivers, which are those two lines. Kind of see those right here, right there. And then the international border we talked about is a solid black line, and the state border is the dashed line. Notice we have our compass rose telling us north, south, east, and west. I believe I have marked everything off my list here. Just a reminder, a physical map is a map that shows natural landforms and waterways. So waterways are included as well. I want to make sure that that is clear. We talked about the plains being very flat, and we talked about a plateau is a high flat land. And we wanted to include this is a region, and this region is an area of land that is different from other areas due to its physical features, climate, people, and industry. So this is the Rocky Mountain region.